Hello everyone. We are here in Angeles City Flying Club, Pampanga, Philippines. Today we want to fly many kids with chronic illness, wie cancer and leukemia and other sickness. These kids are supported from the Kythe Fondation Manila.
The Angeles City Flying Club always enjoys flying with children, whether it's children with disabilities, disadvantaged children, or in this case, children with chronic illnesses. When we started planning this with the Kythe Foundation in January, we couldn't wait to get it started because we knew that we, the pilots, and the staff of the Angeles City Flying Club, we actually enjoy this almost as much as the children do. And in many cases, we learn more than what the children do. We learn that the children are normal children. They're happy children. They want to fly. They love airplanes. And they're normal in every sense of the word. Yes, they have debilitating illnesses. Yes, they have chronic illnesses. They have cancer. They have leukemia. But that doesn't take away from their childhood. And they love being around airplanes. They love being in the air. We learn that from them.
Okay. Hello Miss Angie, I'd like to welcome here at Angeles City Flying Club. And can you tell us a little bit about the Kythe Foundation?
Yes, thank you for having us today. I'm Angie Siebert Fernandez, the Executive Director of Kythe Fondation Inc. It's the only organization in the Philippines providing psychosocial care to children with cancer and other illnesses in hospitals, in 11 hospitals nationwide. We strive to make the hospitals a better place for our children. We provide them opportunities for play. We are with them in their treatment. We provide emotional support, and we also ensure that the parents are empowered and supported. And when we do that, we help children adjust to their healthcare experiences. They become more compliant to treatment, and this ups their survival.
Okay, thank you very much for the nice, great infos.
Yes.
And I hope everybody wanna enjoy here today.
Yes, today is a very special day. Angeles City Flying Club invited us to be with them along with other sponsors, very generous sponsors, to let the children fly. A very unique experience. When we help children with cancer and other chronic illnesses, it does not stop in the hospital. It is extremely valuable to make sure that they continue to be children and just live as much of a normal life as they can. And its sponsors like ACFC, SM Cares, and other very generous individuals who make a difference in the lives of these children. We really need partners to make sure that we can continue the work that we do.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you also.